Let's get started, guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. You're gonna get started by adding a little bit of olive oil to your pan and saute some spring onion for about a minute. And then we're gonna season with some green onion seasoning and turmeric. You're gonna continue to saute for another minute, and then you're gonna go ahead and add your coconut milk. Mix the onions and the milk until the milk has been fully saturated with the color of the turmeric, just like so. And then you're gonna go ahead and add your soaked and washed Jasmine rice. You can just go ahead and follow the packet instructions, honey, and you're gonna mix it into the coconut milk until it has been mixed. Now, if you're doing a lot of rice like me, you can go ahead and add your water if you don't have enough coconut cream, because I only had about 1 can of coconut cream. So I'm gonna continue cooking my rice by adding just some water. I think I added about 3 cups of water or so, but you can just cook your rice according to the packet instructions and add the liquid as needed. And then go ahead and add about a handful or so of some lemon zest. If you want, you can also add just a little bit of the juice as well, and continue to mix it in. You're going to continue to cook your rice uncovered as per packet instructions until cooked, honey. Just keep mixing it in and it is done. As you can see, I'm just gonna let it be on the stove a little bit longer so that the moisture can evaporate. Then once the moisture is evaporated a little bit, you can go ahead and finish it off with some fresh coriander and mix it in, honey, and you are done. I hope you tried the recipe, guys. Please do like the video and leave some comment down below. Show me some love and I'll show you back some love, and I will see you on the next one.